Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's pretty interesting that I created a YouTube video and it took off, and as soon as it took off I basically felt like I had to stop because I had imposter syndrome. I had a whole bunch of people that had great comments and great wisdom and had a lot of years woodworking, and I'm relatively new to it, and I felt like, how can I produce videos if I don't have the experience that they do? So I stopped making videos and I took over a year off, and I kept up on the comments as they would come and tried to heart and comment back when I could. But life is funny how you don't think that you're worthy or don't think you should be good enough to speak your mind on a topic just because someone might have more experience than you. All that to say is I'm back. I'm gonna try to make some more videos. I'm not gonna care if somebody has more experience. That's just something I can learn from. I shouldn't hide away from it just because somebody has more years of experience. I should embrace it and try to learn from them as much as I can and ask them questions so that I don't have to waste my time and money on something that they could have told me on a comment. So anyways, this video is going to be me working on a bald eagle. It's going to be in tarja. The wood is white maple, I think, and wingay, which is the feathers, that dark black / brown. It's a really cool piece. It's around 72 pieces. I've really enjoyed doing it, even though it's taken me a long time to get it done. I'm in a shop under a deck. This is where I built this. It's under my deck, and it gets really hot in here during the summer, even though I have a portable, well, it's not a portable, it's a window unit air conditioner. It still gets really hot during the summer here in the Midwest, and so my woodworking kind of pauses during the summer and it picks back up in the spring and the fall. So I'm hoping I can bust out this eagle, and I'm hoping I can bring you guys a lot more videos, and I hope that we can have a community full of beginners and people who have been doing it a lot longer, or even professional. I'm open to everybody here, and I want your opinions and I want your comments. What could I do better? What could woodworkers in general do better? Save us time, save us money, and let's do this together. So hope you guys have a great day. Sit back and relax, enjoy this video. Thanks. Hey guys, right before we start this video, I do want to ask one question. In the spirit of transparency, trying to learn from you all, let me show you what I'm working on now on the side as well. All right, here is the red stag. I believe this picture is called like the Monarch of Glen, but my goal here is to, intarsia is where you're putting several different kinds of wood together to create one piece. But this picture was so big, I decided just to do one big sheet of wood, and I'm gonna stain the different parts of the deer and the grass and the mountains and all these different parts that are up here with different stains to really make the deer pop. My question to you is, what tips or tricks do you have on adding different kinds of stain or different kind of colors or different kind of variations for this project? Do you recommend a certain kind of finish, a certain kind of color, a certain kind of company that you know produces really good stain? Let me know. Just give me ideas. This project was pretty daunting to even start, and now that I've cut out almost 200 pieces, I don't know exactly where to start on the staining process. So any tips, tricks, I will gladly take them, and I will read your comments. Thanks guys. Enjoy. You can clearly see here that I'm taking each of these white oak pieces and adding a nice bevel or 45-degree angle to each of them. This really separates the feathers and makes them pop individually versus getting lost if there was no kind of difference, if it was just a flat board. So you see I signed it on my bench grinder, and then I bring it over here to a piece of, looks like 200 grit sandpaper, and I'm just knocking all that loose off, and then I also take it over here to a 400 grit sandpaper. And remind you, this is sped up over 200 times so that you don't get bored. And this is about the third or fourth time that I'm doing the sanding process. So these pieces are all smooth, they're all good. They are ready to be glued. I'm just doing any finishing touches that I can to make them all look uniform together. This is a long process. Make sure you have your respiratory mask on when you're doing it, as a lot of dust is getting blown up all over my shop right now, even though I might not see it. So safety first, guys. Keep your lungs healthy so that you can be around to woodwork for a long time. But as you can see, I'm just constantly adding edges and soft curves on each of these feathers, really making it pop, really making it look individual. You'll see me shaking out the sandpaper quite often, as I don't like just dust hanging on my sandpaper, as I've had projects in the past where it's been caked inside the wood. I was sanding on top of dust and it got caked on my wood. So I'll hop in here if I have any more commentary.